Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises versatility, durability, and a touch of modern convenience, the Moss & Stone Copper Pots and Pans set. This 7-piece collection has caught our eye, and we're here to see if it lives up to its claims. Let's start with what's in the box. This set includes a 6.2-inch copper pot, a 7.8-inch copper pan, and a larger 9.4-inch fry pan. Accompanying these are a glass lid with a silicone rim, a detachable handle, a glove, and a silicone mat. This selection is designed to cover your everyday cooking needs, and importantly, it's also being marketed as camping cookware. One of the standout features here is the material and construction. Moss & Stone emphasizes its use of thicker aluminum, which they claim makes the cookware more durable and stable. The ceramic coating is high-tech, offering non-stick properties and the ability to go from stovetop to oven. Speaking of stovetops, this set is designed to work on gas, electric, and induction cooktops, which is a major plus for anyone with a versatile kitchen or who frequently moves their cooking setup. The heat transfer is said to be equal throughout, which is crucial for even cooking. The removable handle system is a key selling point. The idea is that this handle, designed with an ergonomic curve, stays cool during use and is comfortable to grip. Its removability is what enables the stackable design, a real space saver in kitchens, especially smaller ones. It also means you can transfer your cooking directly into the oven without worrying about a bulky, oven-unsafe handle. The edges are described as smooth, ensuring the detachable handles attach securely. Now, let's talk about the non-stick aspect. The set is advertised as durable non-stick cookware, and importantly, it's stated to be free from PTFE and PFOA, which are chemicals many consumers are trying to avoid in their cookware. This is a significant consideration for health-conscious cooks. The inclusion of a high-tempered glass lid with a silicone rim is a thoughtful touch. The silicone rim helps to create a tighter seal, retaining heat and moisture within the pot or pan, and it also helps to prevent scratching on the cookware itself. The included glove and silicone mat are also practical accessories, offering protection from heat when handling the detachable handle or placing the hot cookware down. The versatility is really emphasized here. Whether you're cooking a quick meal at home, hosting a dinner party, or heading out for a camping trip, this set is positioned as the solution. The smaller pot and pans are particularly suited for single servings or smaller households, and the stackability makes it convenient for travel trailers or RVs. However, like any product, there are aspects to consider. While the removable handle offers great space saving and oven use benefits, some users might find the process of attaching and detaching it a bit cumbersome if they're used to traditional cookware. The durability of the nonstick coating over time is always a question with any nonstick pan, and while the aluminum is thicker, it's still aluminum and might be more prone to denting than heavier cast iron or stainless steel. Also, the 7-piece set is quite basic. If you do a lot of complex cooking, you might find yourself wanting more sizes or specialized pieces. The 1-year warranty is a positive sign of the manufacturer's confidence, but it's always good to check the specifics of what's covered. In conclusion, the Moss & Stone Copper Pots and Pans set offers a compelling package of features for those seeking a compact, versatile, and modern cookware solution. Its induction compatibility, oven-safe capabilities, and space-saving stackable design make it a strong contender for smaller kitchens, campers, and anyone who values multifunctional cookware. The PFOA and PTFE-free non-stick coating is also a significant draw. Link in the description.